In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can get paid to post on TikTok with no minimum follower count. No, I am not kidding at all. By the end of this video, you're gonna be fully prepared to get paid just to post on TikTok. It doesn't matter if you have 100 followers, 100,000 followers, or 1,000,000 followers. In fact, this process is even gonna get you paid promotional posts texted right to your phone. You could choose to participate or you could choose to pass just based on a text message. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Robert Benjamin, and I founded this YouTube channel on the premise of helping people grow on social media and helping people make money online. I'd say I did a really good job at the first part. I have helped thousands of people grow on TikTok through my mentorship program, through my accelerator program, millions of people through YouTube, and tens of thousands, almost 100,000 people through my free TikTok growth course. That being said, I am incredibly excited to announce that I've created a platform that's gonna allow you to get paid just to post on TikTok. There's absolutely no minimum amount of followers needed. It doesn't matter if you have 100 followers, you can have 100,000 followers. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna pay you to post. And I think a better way to put it is I'm gonna get you paid to post. I'm not necessarily gonna be paying you to post. I'm gonna be getting you paid to post. And before I tell you exactly how all this is gonna work, I need you to do two quick things for me. First, I need you to smash that subscribe button so you never miss another one of my episodes. And then secondly, I need you to go follow these two creators. First, you have to go follow at ShortFirePlug, and then secondly, I need you to go follow at Mindset Check. I'm gonna link out to both of them in the description below. They've both been growing like crazy, and I really think you guys could benefit just from going and following them. I'm also gonna shout out somebody in my YouTube channel that goes and follows them and tags me in their last post. So before I tell you exactly how this is gonna work, I do wanna tell you why I'm doing this. Those of you that haven't seen, TikTok has recently announced that they have a $2 billion fund in order to pay creators, and they announced a TikTok marketplace. I think both of those things kinda suck. News broke 2 days ago about the 9 creators, or 19, however many it was, that they chose for this TikTok creator fund. This is the initial fund. They're gonna be allowing more people to apply for it in the middle of the month. That was the first thing that kind of pissed me off, because originally they said that we would be able to do it in the beginning of August. That's what I told my audience, and now they pushed it back 2 weeks. Secondly, David Dobrik was part of the original list. Like, what do you mean? He's got 50 million followers. Why are we paying him to create? People that don't have a huge following, people that want to aspire to be an influencer need to get paid. Not somebody with 5 cars, a house in the hills, and so many other things. If you're watching this, David, I have nothing against you at all, dude. Do your thing, get your money, but TikTok, really? You're gonna pay him? He's got 50 million followers across everything. He could get paid without you. In addition to that, the TikTok creator marketplace, honestly, I think it was a total flop. First, you need 100,000 followers to join. Second, I haven't heard a single person say anything good about it. I haven't heard a single good thing come out of it. I've even signed up for it. I've got no brand deals. I've tried to get other brand deals through it, and guess what? Nothing. I have hit up hundreds of creators on there. Not a single one of them has responded. The other ones that have responded, it was a manager responding with total nonsense. And the only other alternative for you guys to try to get brand deals is to, 1, have a ton of followers, 2, hire an agency. It's gonna take 20%, and then you have to get put on the back burner while you have some agent out there trying to get you deals. And guess what happens the second that your views start to decline or your followers don't increase as much? No brands want to work with you. I am going to solve this totally completely with my TikTok marketplace. And that is exactly why I've decided to take fixing this into my own hands. I want to make sure that all you guys get paid kind of the same way that YouTube pays creators. They pay them on a CPM basis. Yes, you need 1,000 subscribers, you need a certain amount of watch time, and then they start to pay you. I want to do the same exact thing for your posts, except you could choose when you want to run an ad, when you don't want to run an ad, and when you want to do a paid post. That being said, here's how it's going to work. I've got thousands of creators that hit me up every single day asking me, hey Rob, I have 10,000 followers, I have 100,000 followers, I have 1,000,000 followers. How do I start to monetize that content? And on top of that, I have hundreds of people that hit me up every single day that want to work with influencers just like you. It doesn't matter if you don't have 10,000 followers. They want to work with people with 5,000 followers. In fact, they want to work with hundreds of people with 500 followers or 5,000 followers or 10,000 or 100,000, because they don't want to go pay Charlie to do a post and get 1,000,000 views, where they could actually take all the money that they were going to give Charlie, give it to a ton of small creators, and end up getting way more views. In addition to that, everyday people that are creating music, creating sounds, just making really cool videos, want to pay you to duet their video, to use their hashtags, to use their sounds, to increase the chance that they get a ton of followers, get a ton of exposure, and it's going to help you both out. You're going to get paid for doing a promotional post. They're going to get a ton of views, a ton of followers, a ton of likes, more relevancy, more engagement, and everything that they want. So here's how it's going to work. You're going to sign up, you're going to send over your username, your phone number, some details about the niche that you're in, and then what's going to happen is you're going to start getting text messages for paid promotional posts. It'll say, hey, you need to do this post, use this sound, use this hashtag, tag this person, or duet this video, and this is how much we're going to pay you. And from there, you can either choose to participate or to pass, and you'll get the fee structure right up front. It might be a flat fee where it's, hey, $25 if you duet this video, or it might be on a CPM basis where you make, say, $5 for every 1,000 views that the duet of the video gets, or $5 for every 1,000 1,000 views of the hashtag or the sound, whatever the case is, you're gonna get paid on a CPM basis or a flat fee basis, and you'll know about that upfront. There's no contracts, no negotiations, no long-term anything, no dealing with an agent, no back and forth, none of that BS. Simply a text to your phone, hey, do you wanna do this paid promo? If not, don't do it. You'll get a new text a couple days later, or even multiple texts that same day. In addition to that, you're gonna get paid out every 2 weeks via PayPal. This is gonna be groundbreaking for 2 reasons. First, you don't need an agent, you don't need a minimum follower account. You can monetize your TikTok right now. You could have 5 TikTok accounts. I don't care, you can monetize them all. As long as you're getting views, you will get paid for posting with certain sounds, certain hashtags, and duetting certain videos. Secondly, it's going to totally change the game when it comes to advertising. Right now, TikTok charges a $10 CPM to reach 1,000 people. Facebook is about a $5 CPM to reach 1,000 people. Instagram is around a $3 CPM to reach 1,000 people. On the advertising side, on the people that are gonna be promoting their videos, their sounds, their hashtags, things like that, they're gonna be able to get views way cheaper than even the cheapest, which is Instagram, at a $3 CPM. They're gonna be able to get a CPM for $1.50, $2, because we're cutting the platform out. It's gonna be straight creator to creator or brand to creator without having to go through an agency, which again, takes a vig on this end and takes a vig on that end. They end up making way more money than the brand or the creator because they're taking a fee from both people. I'm getting rid of that nonsense and cutting it out. So by now, I'm sure you guys are all wondering, how can I get started? Right now, it's only been launched to people that are in my mentorship program, but over the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna be rolling this out to everybody. If you wanna get paid to post and you're super excited about this, I need you to do 2 things. First, I need to make sure that you share this video with somebody else that wants to get paid to post, because I'm telling you, this is groundbreaking news. This is absolutely insane. You are gonna get paid promotional posts straight to your phone, straight to your text messages, which is absolutely amazing, and advertisers are gonna be able to get the cheapest CPM that they've ever seen before. So first, make sure you share this video with your friends. Secondly, I need to make sure that you're in either my free TikTok growth course or you've signed up for one of my consulting packages, because if I don't have your email, I don't have your phone number, then odds are you're just not gonna hear about this. So if you're not already in one of my accelerator program, the mentorship program, or my recommendations package, you need to sign up for the free TikTok growth course, because I'm telling you, you're gonna get paid based on the performance of your post. The more views you get, the more money you're gonna make. So let's make sure that you're making as many good posts as possible, getting as many views as possible, because it's really gonna help you make a lot more money. I am so excited about this, and I cannot wait to help every single one of you guys watching this video right now get paid, because that's what you deserve for posting on TikTok. And honestly, that's what we've deserved for the past 15 years on social media, but nobody's been able to execute on this.